Building Construction Occupations. The Building Construction Occupations program provides instruction in a number of construction trades and is focused on the maintenance and repair of all systems in a building or physical structure. Students will learn the basics of carpentry, plumbing, electricity, welding, painting, sheet metal work, and masonry. You will also learn to use a variety of hand tools, power tools, and machinery. Students will have the opportunity to participate in the construction of a student-built house project. Under the guidance of their instructors, students work on the construction of a new home. Students are prepared for employment in the construction fields as a building maintenance technician, sheet metal worker, or as a construction and building inspector, just to name a few exciting career opportunities. By pursuing more specialized training after graduating from high school, students can pursue careers in specific construction trades such as masonry, plumbing, and carpentry. Additional career pathways include becoming a building supervisor, construction supervisor, or facilities supervisor.